Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Guruji. This is Surajit Paul and we are going to study physics of class ICSE-10. So in the previous class we have already completed the first chapter and it's time for the second chapter, that is work, energy and power. So let's begin the topic. We have to understand the topic, full topic. So don't skip the video in the mid session. Please watch the video enter the last. So first thing, we have that term, that is work. So work is simply done. Work is different type. There is physical work, another is mental work. But in physics we are studying about the physical work, and in physical work we have to apply some force, and by applying some force on the object, if the body get displaces or the object get displaces some distance, then we can only say that work is done. If we are applying a large amount of force but the body is not displacing or not changing its position, then we cannot say that is work is done. So simply work is simply force is applied and body get displaced, or you can simply write as change its position, change the position, or it move. Then we can say that only the work is done. If you are applying some force upon a body, suppose this is an object and we are applying force upon this object, and the body first initially present at this place and after that it gets some displaces s, then we can say that work is done. So this is the definition of the work, and by the measurement of the force we can simply state that the work is the measurement of the work is done by the product of the magnitude of the force and the displacement. So that can be written as the work done equals to force multiplied by the displacement. It is the amount of force you are applying and this is the displacement of that object, and this is the formula of the work. And you have to remember that work is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity because it is not by the direction, it is a scalar quantity because work is the product of we can in the higher manner we can write as that of f w equals to fs cos theta, that is force, we are applying force upon the body and body get displaces, and theta, and here the theta is the angle between the application of force and the displacement. So that is a dot product. In physics we have dot product and cross product. The result of the dot product is a scalar quantity. That's why work is a scalar quantity. Okay. So then after, work is further three types. Okay. So first, work can be three types, that is positive work, negative work and zero work done. So when the body is displaces along the direction of the applied force, then we can say that is the positive work done, and when the body is displaces opposite direction to the applied force, that is the negative work done. And we can simply calculate by the formula also, as like cos, it is depends upon the theta value also. If cos theta equals to 0 degree, then it will be 1. Cos theta will be cos theta, if the cos value cos 0 degree equals to 1, cos 180 minus 1 and cos 90 degree equals to 0. So by using this value, if the body, as we are applying the force upon this direction and the body get displaces, so it is moving in the same direction, so the angle will be 0 degree and the w equals to fs cos 0, that will be fs, that is positive work done. If the body get displaces in the opposite direction, then the theta will be 180, so f equals to fs cos 180 degree, that is will be minus fs. And if w equals to fs cos 90 means if we are applying force upon this object in this direction, the body get displaces in the perpendicular direction, the angle will be 90 degree, in that case the work done will be 0. Okay, we can observe this in the circular motion. In the circular motion, when the rotating a circular object in a circular motion, so the force is applying toward the center, that is the centripetal force, and the object is displaced in this direction. So here the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. In that case, the work done will be 0. And there will be different case for the work done 0. For work done 0, we have two cases. One is displacement equals to 0, one case work done 0 होगा. Then next case is the theta value equals to 90 degree, or the angle between the force and the displacement is 90 degree, then the work done will be 0. So that is the three types of work done. Okay, and by the in the next case we can simply state that the work done by the gravity, work done by gravity. So in case of work done by gravity, suppose this is the object and here is the ground, so it is in h height, so we can say that s equals to here h, and the force will be acting, suppose the mass of the object is m and the force will be mg, because mass into acceleration, here acceleration is g, and s equals to h, so the w equals to fs, that is mgh. So this is the work done by the gravity. So now it is time for the calculation of the unit. So simply we have stated that work done equals to, you can write in your copy also, so the unit is very much important, the unit of work. So unit of work will be work equals to that force into displacement. So the unit of the force will be Newton and displacement will be in meter, that is Newton meter equals to joule. So 1 joule equals to 1 Newton multiply 1 meter. If 1 Newton of force applied upon a body and the body get displaces 1 meter distance, then 1 joule of work done will be done. That is the unit of work. Then the next term is our power. So simply power is the rate of doing work or the work done per time. You can simply say that work done by time, that how much work you are doing in a particular time, that is the power. If you are completing a very much work in less time, that is work should be more, and if you are doing less work in more time, then the power will be less. Okay, so the unit of the work will be watt. So we can write 1 watt equals to 1 joule in 1 second. If 1 joule of work done in 1 second, then the power will be 1 watt. So that about work and power. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the different forms of energy, and we are going to solve various numericals of work and power based on we have only two formulas, that is work done equals to force into displacement and mgh, and then power formula. By using these three formula, you have to remember these three formula only. W equals to fs cos theta, and W equals to mgh, and power equals to W by T. You have to remember only these formulas. By using these three formulas, you can solve the numericals of your textbook. If you face any problem regarding solving the numerical, then we can solve in the next video. So for today's class, we have ended here, and for the next class, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. Keep watching Apna Guruji.